Need accounting software that's simple but powerful? Let's see if FreshBooks is still the best user-friendly option in 2025. FreshBooks is a cloud-based invoicing and accounting tool designed for freelancers, small businesses, and service providers who want ease of use over complexity. Its main strength is how intuitive it is. You can create professional invoices, track expenses, log billable hours, and accept payments all in just few clicks. The mobile app is just as simple, so you can manage your finances from anywhere. FreshBooks also includes basic double entry accounting, project management tools, and time tracking, making it more than just an invoicing platform. Plus, it integrates with over 100 popular apps like PayPal, Stripe, Gusto, and Shopify. The downside, while it's great for smaller businesses, it's not built for complex enterprise accounting, and advanced features like inventory management are limited. Pricing can also add up if you have a large team. Overall, if you want clean, easy to use accounting software without the steep learning curve, FreshBooks is still a top choice in 2025. The bottom line, FreshBooks makes accounting so simple, so might actually enjoy doing it.